Zhejiang Yizhou Machinery Technology Company Limited is a professional supplier of steel bar, wire processing and building materials machinery in China. The company covers an area of about 69,000 square meters, of which the plant area is more than 40,000 square meters, with assembly lines, test workshops, and R&D departments. With a professional R&D team and 9 years of experience in the machinery manufacturing industry, we are able to provide customers with professional solutions. The products have the advantages of high automation, fast processing speed, and labor saving to meet the different needs of customers. We have independent intellectual property rights and have registered more than 50 patents. Our products are supplied to more than 30 countries and more than 800 customers. More than 2,000 welding lines have been installed and put into use in customer factories. The products are widely used in the construction industry, railway industry, chemical industry, automobile manufacturing industry, port engineering, and other fields, with reliable quality and thoughtful service. The company has been recognized and praised by customers. In the future, Yizhou Machinery will continue to develop prefabricated construction machinery products as its development goal, accelerate the development and growth of the company, and bring greater product value and better user experience to customers in an increasingly broad field.